Test review. This is for your test on 9/20, which is tomorrow. That's a Tuesday. And the first type of problem you have to be familiar with for the test is if you have a -5 squared. That does not come out to be 25.
It's negative.
It comes out to be a -25, yes. And the other way of looking at that is if you have the quantity squared of a -5, then that will come out to be a +25. Okay, next up is going to be fractions. If you have a -24 over 12, what's the answer? -2, yes, because the signs are different. What if you have a +16 over a -8? What's the answer? -2, the signs are different. What if you have a -24 over a -4? Yes, comes out to be a +6 because the signs are the same. What if you have 15 over 5? +3, signs are the same, answer is positive. Okay, and you can also have a fraction inside of a quantity. 12 over a -3, quantity squared. What's 12 over a -3? -4, and if we square the quantity of -4, we get a +16. Okay, you can have more than one fraction inside of a quantity squared. For example, 4 over a -2 plus 6 over a -2. And we're going to square the quantity. What's 4 over -2? -2. And what's 6 over -2? -3. And if we square the quantity, what's -2 plus a -3? We're going to square the quantity of -5 to get an answer of 25, yes. You can also do multiplication in there as well, such as 15 over 3 times a -16 over 8, and we're going to square the quantity. What's 15 over 3? 5, and what's -16 over 8? A -2. Square the quantity and come up with, or not, it's not square the quantity, but 5 times 2 is a -10, and you square the quantity.
It will be 100.
+100. Your extra credit on the test will look like this. Just add and subtract positive and negative numbers. It'd be a -1 minus a -2. You have to change that to plus. You want to change that to plus, and then keep your plus and -3 on the end. -1 plus 2 is a +1, and if I add a -3 to that,
It will be -2.
-2.